If you want to be able to take your lashes from this to this, then keep watching. Hi, I'm Hannah and I'm back with MUA Cosmetics to show you their newest launch, the Stop the Search Mascara. Now this is MUA's first tubing mascara and it comes in black and blackberry. And the packaging is so cute. Another thing that I'm really excited about with this launch is these. Now, if you're an OG, you'll know these. This is the travel eyelash curler. They've come in 2 new colours and these are just stunning. I love them and they feel like so soft. I love them. Right, well, let's get to it. Let's talk lashes. Stop the Search is a long-lasting tubing mascara that visibly lengthens and lifts lashes with all-day wear, adds instant volume and curl and removes easily with just warm water. To start, I'm going to curl both of my lashes. I think we'll put the blackberry on this side. I feel like we need a before and after of these lashes, so let me zoom you in. The lash curlers alone are insane. This is the before. Look how lifted my lashes are now. That's insane. Let's use this one on this side too. Okay, lashes are lifted. While I'm putting this on, this is also going to be first reaction, but while I'm putting this on, we'll just go through the ingredients. It contains ginseng root extract, which is rich in antioxidants that help maintain healthy hair follicles. We also have peptides in there, which promotes collagen and keratin production to aid lash health, and also vitamin E for nourishing and moisturising. Are you kidding me? That's insane. Oh my god. Just the before and after. And this is the blackberry colour, so this is going to look so much more intense. I just can't wait to see what the black one looks like. Okay, we'll put the black one on this side. I've actually ended up getting mascara on underneath my eye because my eyelashes have now got so long. I can't believe this is MUA's first ever tubing mascara and my lashes look like this. Are you joking? Do you know what? I actually really like the blackberry one because it's not like as intense, but it's still like separated all of my lashes and still given them so much length and still giving them that lift. But it's not as like in your face as the black. I really like that. With this mascara too, you're not just wearing another makeup product, you're actually getting some skincare benefits out of this too. Because you've got your peptides in here to help promote the collagen, and you've got vitamin E, which is nourishing and moisturising for your lashes, so winner, winner. But now I'm going to take this to the test, and because it's a tubing mascara, it only needs water to take it off, so let's try and take it off together. Okay, we've got the water. So I've seen so many videos online on how to take this off. So you literally just... Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, this is gonna be fine. Okay, so just water on the eye. Oh my god, and it's just like... It's just all come off. Look at it all! Oh my god. That was literally the easiest thing to take off. And normally mascara is one of like the more difficult things to remove, so that's insane. I'm super impressed with that. I'm actually just going to go and put this black one back on this other eye and have amazing long lashes for the rest of the day. MUA have smashed this product launch. I am absolutely obsessed. And also don't forget that they are cruelty free and vegan friendly, which is why I love them. But make sure if you grab yours to let us know what you think in the comments down below, and we'll see you soon. Bye!